Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Crouthamel and welcome to my course, RF Fundamentals for Wireless Networks. I'm a senior network engineer and educator. This course is an introduction to radio frequencies, wireless standards, and antennas. Some of the major topics include RF signals and modulation, RF standards, signals interference and behavior, and finally, an introduction to antennas. By the end of this course, you will learn the fundamentals of RF, what they are and how they're used, as well as how they act in the real world. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic network technology or have your CCNA certification. From here, you should feel comfortable reviewing wireless device specification documents and diving into the rest of our courses on wireless technologies. I hope you'll join me in this journey to learn wireless basics with the RF Fundamentals for Wireless Networks course at Pluralsight.